What they do, y'all? Fwea-Go back with another Fwea-Go Logic episode, and today I'm gonna briefly go over that sauce. I'm gonna teach y'all the method that I be using to apply like this signature sound. Like if y'all are familiar with my sound, like that little wavy filtered type of sound I be applying, I'm gonna show you how to do that here in Logic. So pick out a sound, pick any sound to be honest. So I like that. I'll go ahead, probably loop it a couple times. I'm going to command U to loop the region sections. These are all the plugins that's already on this one sound. But what I use in the multi-effects, go step effects, go stereo. And then here, I like to play with the depth. I like to turn the rate down a bit. Sometimes I'll go forward. And then I'll go ahead and just modulate, you feel me? You got a little reverb going. You can throw some delay if you want. And that's pretty much what I do. That's the sauce. You feel me? You can't say I ain't put you on to how I do what I do. And I mean, from there, it's really just signature taste. You kind of just building out the sound that you want to build out. So I might even like parallel process, meaning like creating a separate track. Hold on, my bad. Let me go ahead. The way I just did that is holding Option and dragging down what was highlighted to duplicate the region down. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off some of these effects here. Keep it. Probably pan a little bit. You feel me? It's really, that's it. That's it. You find your sounds, you tweak, and you get what you're looking for. Now, I know I did that kind of quick, but I did take a lot of time going through a bunch of different plugins to kind of find the sound that I've been looking for. So I've spent hours, days, weeks, months, years, to be honest, just going through different types of plugins, different settings, and going from not even understanding what I'm looking at or what I'm doing to really finding like a good preset, template, just a nice flow that I'm able to. All right. Shout out to the thunder in the background. But yeah, really just finding like what sauce works for me. And then again, at that point, it's really just chopping different audio files, moving things around, chopping with Command T. And yeah, I mean, you could draw regions down. So again, from the crib, we do a lot of hops. Eventually, you kind of just know where the hops land at. And again, I do teach mainly for those who don't have any type of musical equipment. Maybe you only have a laptop. And yeah. So what I might do even is kind of create a whole nother track, double up the same sounds, and then add a whole nother effect on here. Shout out the late ZEP. He actually taught me about delaying your drums, like adding some delay on your drums. So I'm actually gonna go here at a bus. You choose any bus. I like the tape delay. So we're gonna go delay, tape delay. And then we already on the 4th, so that's cool. And then we're just gonna turn up the send a bit and